a Sandy Liang inspired flower scrunchie. Let me show you how to make it. I'm trying to use up some scraps, so placing these two skinnier rectangles good sides together and sewing along the bottom edge. But if you have fabric wide enough, you can skip this step and fold the rectangle good sides together. Once we've got the fabric folded in half, going to mark a line 1 inch to 1.25 inches above the seam / fold. Grab a circular object to trace the petals. The tin I'm using is about 4.5 inches wide, so about 1/2 inch from the end of the fabric. Place the circle so that the line we initially drew is cutting that circle in half, and draw a semicircle. Then slide the object over and repeat until we have 5 semicircles. Now I place the fabric over a layer of batting to add some structure, but that's totally optional. Next, we're going to sew directly over the petal lines we just drew, making sure to start at the beginning of the semicircle and not the fold or a seam. Once you get to the point in between the petals, instead of directly turning up to make a V, I would suggest making 2 stitches parallel to the fold and then turn up to continue sewing. And this will just help when turning the scrunchie right side out. Then at the end, again, stop at the line, don't sew all the way down to the fold or seam. After we're done sewing, trim the excess fabric and clip a notch in between the petals, making sure not to clip the seam. Then we can flip the scrunchie right side out, feed an elastic through the opening at the bottom and tie it off. Lastly, just hand sew the opening closed, and you've got yourself